Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This ash color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5860s. What we expected yesterday was, we expected crude to continue its downtrend, having 5920, 960 and 6020 as a major resistance zone. Yesterday we had crude oil inventory report also. If the price is trading below 5860, we expected the crude price to reach all the possible target support zones. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, you can see the price was trading above 5860, like what happened on the previous day. The same thing, where the price opened on the previous day, the price was trying to take some support around 5860. In the same way, the price took some support around 5860, but it could not sustain that, and you can see it is consistently creating a resistance around this intermediate zone. After breaking, our charting tool is also indicating that the momentum is for selling, and the price came down. You can notice the price came down to test 5820. So earlier we know that the price came down and test 5830s. So the price was slowly consolidating in this particular zone, and you can see slowly and steadily it is exactly coming and testing this 5820, which is again a major support zone. And you can notice that this is the zone where we got crude oil inventory report. As per the expectation, crude oil inventory report was negative for buying, so the price was quite comfortable in breaking this 5820 in a single shot, where it found a resistance along 5820, the second zone. You can notice that how the price is taking resistance around the second support zone here around 5806. So the price was constantly taking a resistance around this zone, so the price was pushed towards to test the next support zone of 5772, and the price closed around 5787. This was the entire price action what happened in the yesterday's market. There is no doubt everything went up to our expectation, and the price had reached all the possible targets whatever we expected to reach. Now let us see the open, high, low, close analysis. Whenever we see yesterday's price opening compared to the previous day, more or less equal. It had almost created the same high, but could not possibly a high bit lower than the previous day high, and it had created a very big low compared to the previous day, and the price closed lower compared to the previous day price closing and also the opening, and near this low of that yesterday's market. So what we can do today, yesterday was completely dominated by the sellers. What we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today. Today, based upon the NYMEX price direction, we can expect crude price to open near the same zone where it closed yesterday. It is possibly going to be the continuation of what happened on the previous day. So what we can do today is that today also we can expect crude to continue its downtrend, having various resistance zone as 5806, 5820 and 5860. The only modification we had made was, you know that till yesterday we were targeting 6020. Till 6020 we expected the price to stay in selling. Now we can notice that we had decreased that zone to 5920. Till 5920 you can expect crude oil to stay in downtrend. This is how we slowly decreasing our stop loss zone, so that we can protect our profit. So advice for all the traders was that since crude has dropped enough and we had made enough profit out of this bear market, so we advise conservative traders, you can wait for the price to consolidate a bit, then we can take a trading entry since we have reached all our entry point. If you want to make use of the trend completely, you can go for selling having all these target zones, resistance zone as a possible selling zone, and the expected target if the trend continues is going to be 5732. Today also we are expecting crude continuous downtrend. A word of caution, this is a normal tendency for all the traders. After seeing a big drop, they try to trade against the trend. So they consider that the price can bounce back. Don't trade against the trend. That is one of the very good discipline you should follow as a trader. Try to target all the resistance zone. If you are a conservative trader, stay away from the market and wait for the price to consolidate. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.